Hello friends, welcome to Prismatics online class. In our today's class, we are going to look at what our dimension. See question on the board. The question says, state the dimension map formula for permittivity. Okay, in permittivity we have solution. We have the force relationship. Force is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon dot what q1 q2 product of charges in what and inversely proportional to what the distance square of the distance. Okay, what do we have to do? This is the same thing as saying that force is equal to 1 times charges, which is 1 q1 q2 all over what pi 4 pi epsilon r square. Now we want to cross multiply. We want to make this epsilon, which is the permittivity, we want to make it what the subject of the formula. Divide both sides by what? Well, cross multiply. What do we have? 4 pi epsilon r square multiplied by force is equal to what? Q1 Q2. So we divide them. 4 pi r square f into epsilon is equal to what? Q1 Q2. Now divide both sides by coefficient of epsilon, which is 4 pi r square f all over what? 4 pi r square f. This will cancel this, and we are left with what? That epsilon or permittivity. Epsilon or permittivity is equal to what? Product of charges Q1 Q2 all over what? 4 pi r square f. Okay, so what do we do now? We want to find the dimension of permittivity, which will give us the dimension of Q1, close it, multiply by the dimension of Q2, close it, all over what? Dimension of 4 pi, which is constant, into dimension of what? R square, into what? Dimension of what? Force. So that is 10. So always recall that whenever you find dimension of any constant, that it is always what? 1. In other words, it has no dimension. So this is 1. So and dimension of acceleration is also what? LT raised to power minus what? 1, which is this. LT raised to power minus 2. Now, and the dimension of charge is equal to what? A what? AT, because it is current multiplied by what? Time. This is what? A what? T. So that is in all these things, you need to know them. Okay, let's continue. Okay, from here now, we have that the permittivity epsilon is equal to, now Q1 is 80, dimension of 80, Q2 is the same thing as 80, dimension of 80, all over what? 1, which is what? The dimension of 4 pi, multiply by r, which is length, L square, multiply by force is m times what? LT raised to power minus 2, close it. Now what do we have? That epsilon is equal to a times a will give us a square, t times t will give us t square, close it. This all over what? L times L, now we have it as m L raised to power 3 and what? T raised to power minus 2, close it. So that is the okay. Now the asylum. The asylum is equal to now a square t square, dimension of it all over what a m all over m all over mass m l raised to power 3 t raised to power minus 2. Now we have to take them up. Epsilon is equal to m we clamp up, which is what m power minus 1, l we clamp up, which is l power minus 3, t we clamp up, we have t as t power 2 multiplied by t power 2. This minus will change to plus t multiplied by what again? A what power 2. Now the epsilon is equal to m power minus 1, l power minus 3, t power 2, this which is 4, and a raised to power 2. And that is what we call the dimension of what? Epsilon. So hence, the dimensional formula for permittivity or epsilon is equal to what? M minus 1, L minus power 3, T minus T power 4, A raised to power 2. And that is the answer. So that is how to find that is how to find the dimensional formula for what? Permittivity. Thanks and God bless you. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Prismatics Online Class. Share, like, and comment. Do so in my Facebook, Prismatics Online Class. God bless you. Bye-bye.